Run to the train! Oh. It's not even here. Woo! So I'm finally back. Yeah, it was fun. It was crazy though. A lot of people, like 30 somewhere. Yeah, it was pretty fun. We saw a movie, or we didn't finish it, but still, we almost finished. It's called Rush Hour. It was funny. Rush Hour. Oh yeah. It was a funny thing because we were gonna take the train. We were gonna take it, but yeah, we as you saw, we didn't quite make it. It already left, like 2 minutes. We were like 2 minutes late, so we had to wait an hour. So we went back and not back to the church, but back to just the town and just walked around. Then we went into McDonald's and we played Phase 10. And that was fun. And then we went back to the station. So yeah, it was pretty fun. Yeah. Oh, I met the priest at the station. That was cool. Then I met someone else. It's so so funny. You meet so many people. There's so many people there. Yeah. Oh, it's snowing here. It snowed there too. It's not so far away. We traveled for like 50 minutes. So yeah. Going back to the kindergarten. They're leaving tomorrow. It's been a great weekend. Really.